Your car is hiding features you've never used. Features that could save your life or make driving easier than you ever imagined. From secret escape handles to hidden storage compartments, these built-in tricks are right under your nose. Yet most drivers never discover them until it's too late. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 10 secret car features almost no one knows about. And if you stick with me until the very end, I'll reveal the one overlooked feature that can make your car safer every single time you step away. By the end of this video, you'll uncover 10 hidden features built into most modern cars. Features designed to protect your safety, reduce stress, and make driving smarter. Some are hiding in plain sight, others are tucked away where you'd never think to look. But every single one can transform the way you drive. Feature 1. Hidden keyhole and key fob. Picture this: you're stuck outside your car, the key fob dead in your hand. Panic sets in. But here's the secret: almost every modern key fob hides a traditional backup key. Look closely, and you'll find a tiny release button or sliding lever. Pull it, and a hidden metal key slides out. The surprise doesn't end there. The keyhole itself is often disguised under a plastic cover on the door handle. This small, overlooked feature can turn a nightmare into a simple fix. But if sunlight blinds you instead of your key fob, there's another secret waiting above your head. Feature 2. Sun visor side extension. You're driving straight into the sunset, visor flipped down, yet the blinding glare still sneaks around the edge. Most drivers think there's no fix, but the solution is already built into your car. Many visors have a hidden sliding extension tucked inside. Pull it out, and suddenly the light that slips in from the sides is blocked. This simple feature reduces eye strain, keeps you focused, and makes driving safer in harsh light. It's been right above your head all along, waiting to be used. And while that protects your eyes, the next one protects your time at the gas station. Feature 3. Fuel tank arrow indicator. You pull up to the gas station, step out, and realize you don't remember which side the fuel cap is on. Now you're craning your neck, second-guessing, or pulling up to the wrong pump. But here's the secret. The answer has been on your dashboard all along. Next to the little gas pump icon, there's a tiny arrow, pointing left or right. That arrow shows exactly which side your fuel cap sits on. No more guessing, no more wasted time. But what if you could cool your car before you even open the door? Feature 4. Automatic window roll down via key fob. It's the middle of summer. You open your car door, and the inside feels like an oven. But here's the trick almost no one knows. Many cars let you roll down all the windows using just your key fob. In most models, simply hold the unlock button for a few seconds, and every window drops at once, releasing that trapped heat. Some brands may require a double press or enabling it in your car's settings menu. If you're learning something new already, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss hidden car secrets like these. But while that keeps you cool, the next feature protects your night vision. Feature 5. Rear view mirror dimmer switch. You're driving at night, eyes locked on the road, when suddenly the car behind you flips on its high beams. That blinding glare bouncing off your rear view mirror can feel unbearable. But most drivers don't realize the fix is already there. Look closely at the bottom of the mirror. That tiny lever or tab is a manual dimmer switch. Flip it, and the mirror tilts just enough to redirect the harsh light, cutting glare instantly while still keeping the road behind you visible. And speaking of safety, what if you're trapped in the trunk? Feature 6. Hidden trunk escape handle. It's a nightmare scenario, being locked inside a car's trunk. Before 2002, it happened more often than you'd think, sometimes with tragic results. But today, every passenger vehicle is required to include a hidden emergency trunk release. Look carefully, and you'll find it. Usually a brightly colored, glow-in-the-dark lever near the latch or underside of the trunk lid. Pull it, and the trunk pops open instantly from the inside. A small feature, but one designed to save lives. But sometimes danger comes from the outside, not inside. And that's where your audio system steps in. Feature 7. Speed-sensitive volume control. Ever notice your car's radio volume changing on its own while you drive? It's not a glitch. It's a hidden feature called speed-sensitive volume control. As your speed increases, so does road and engine noise. Instead of you constantly adjusting the knob, the system automatically raises the volume to keep the sound clear. Slow down. And it lowers back down, so it's not blasting your ears at a red light. A subtle feature, but one that keeps your audio perfectly balanced. But while your ears are protected, your hands get help too, with a feature most owners never use. Feature 8. Windshield wiper service position. Cleaning or replacing wiper blades can feel like a struggle when they won't lift far enough off the glass, but many cars hide a service position feature just for this. With a simple combination like turning the ignition on, then off, and quickly tapping the wiper stalk, the blades rise into a higher resting spot. This makes them easy to clean, replace, and maintain without risking scratches or bending the arms. It's a small trick, but one that can save you from costly damage. And if you're running out of space inside the car, look closer. You might be sitting on the answer. Feature 9. Hidden storage under seats or floor mats. Most drivers complain about clutter, but many cars already hide the solution. Manufacturers often build secret compartments beneath seats or floor mats, perfect for keeping essentials out of sight. In some vehicles, you'll find removable bins tucked under the passenger seat. Others, like minivans and SUVs, use underfloor storage that's spacious enough for tools, valuables, or even emergency supplies. It's hidden, discreet, and keeps your cabin organized without advertising what you're carrying. And the final secret feature solves the biggest worry every driver has. Feature 10. Auto lock feature after walking away. You park your car, walk away, and then it hits you. Did I lock it? That sinking doubt has sent countless drivers running back to double check. But many modern cars already have the answer built in. With the auto lock feature, the moment your key fob moves out of range, the car locks itself automatically. Some models even let you adjust the delay or pair it with other security settings in the menu. It's peace of mind without lifting a finger. And that brings us to the climax, the hidden truth about all these features. The truth is, cars are smarter than most drivers ever realize. From hidden escape handles that can save lives, to tiny dashboard arrows that save time, these features were built to protect you, guide you, and make every drive easier. Yet most of them go unnoticed, sitting quietly in plain sight. This is why your car feels full of mysteries. Because the secrets are already there, waiting for the drivers who know where to look. In the end, the difference between frustration and freedom, between danger and safety, is often just one hidden feature away. Now you know 10 hidden car features that most drivers never discover. They're not just conveniences, they make driving safer, smarter, and stress-free. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss another secret that could save your car, or even your life. And I want to hear from you. Which of these features surprised you the most? And did you already know any of them? Drop your answer in the comments. Your tip might just help another driver avoid stress or even stay safe on the road.